How to clear the Microsoft Teams client cache on Windows, a detailed guide. Clearing the Microsoft Teams client cache is a critical troubleshooting step to resolve various issues, including performance problems, login errors, and outdated or incorrect data display. The cache contains temporary files like settings, session information, and user data. Clearing it ensures corrupt or outdated files are removed, allowing teams to start fresh with regenerated files. Below is an in-depth guide to clearing the Microsoft Teams cache on Windows. Why clear the Teams cache? The cache stores temporary data that helps teams run efficiently. However, over time, this data can become corrupted or outdated, leading to slow app performance, login or authentication issues, incorrect data display, e.g. old messages or profile pictures, errors in functionality or synchronization. By clearing the cache, you ensure that the app resets and resolves these potential issues. Steps to clear the Teams cache on Windows. Step 1. Close Microsoft Teams. Before clearing the cache, ensure Microsoft Teams is completely closed. Here's how. 1. Quit Teams. Right-click the Teams icon in the system tray next to the clock or taskbar. Select Quit Teams to ensure the application is not running in the background. 2. Verify closure. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-ESC. Check the Processes tab for any running Microsoft Teams processes. If found, select them and click End Task. Step 2. Navigate to the Teams cache directory. The cache files are stored in a specific directory on your system. Follow these steps to locate it. 1. Open File Explorer. Press Win-E to open File Explorer. 2. Enter the cache path. Copy and paste the following path into the address bar and press Enter. Sent user profile sent appdata local packages MSTeams 8 weki bb 38 bw LocalCache MSTeams. Step 3. Delete the cache files. 1. Select Files. In the Open directory, you'll see multiple files and folders. 2. Delete all items. Press Ctrl-A to select all files and folders. Press Delete or Shift-Delete to permanently remove them. Note, deleting these files will not remove your saved chats or settings. It simply clears temporary data. Step 4. Restart Microsoft Teams. 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch Teams from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. 2. Regeneration of cache. When Teams restarts, it will automatically recreate the necessary cache files with fresh data. Alternate method. Clear cache via Windows settings. If you prefer a simpler method, use the built-in reset feature in Windows settings. 1. Open Settings. Press Win-E to open the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Apps. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. 3. Locate Teams. Scroll to Microsoft Teams or use the search bar. 4. Access Advanced Options. Click the ellipsis next to Microsoft Teams and select Advanced Options. 5. Reset Teams. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Reset. When to clear the Teams cache. Teams is running slowly or freezing. Login issues persist despite using correct credentials. Old messages, profiles, or settings are displayed incorrectly. You experience issues after a Teams update. Benefits of clearing the Teams cache. Improves app performance by removing outdated files. Resolves login and authentication issues. Refreshes user settings and data for better functionality. Ensures Teams displays accurate, up-to-date information.